Samsung just lit up the smartphone chip wars, and the Exynos 2600 is the bombshell everyone's been waiting for. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your place to get all the tech news. In a dramatic YouTube teaser dripping with Stranger Things style music and neon visuals, Samsung officially confirmed the Exynos 2600, declaring it refined at the core and optimized at every level, saying this next-gen chip is coming soon and it's headed straight for the Galaxy S26 lineup. For months, rumors have swirled about Samsung's dual-chip strategy, and now it looks all but confirmed. The Galaxy S26 and S26 Plus are expected to ship with either the Exynos 2600 or the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, depending on where you live. But the beastly Galaxy S26 Ultra getting the Snapdragon treatment everywhere with no regional split. The Exynos 2600 is going to be Samsung's most hyped chip yet. Whispers from the industry claim it'll pack the latest ARM CPU cores, an AMD-powered GPU, and be built on a cutting-edge 2nm process, a major leap in efficiency and power management. While Exynos chips traditionally focus on better efficiency, Snapdragon usually wins the raw performance race, which means the inevitable benchmark battles between the two S26 variants are going to be explosive. Samsung gave a strong signal that the company is ready to target Snapdragon's dominance and put the Exynos in flagship territory. And with the S26 launch approaching, the war between chips has officially begun. For more updates like this video, comment and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech updates.